Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Leanne, and today we're going to make some cast iron skillet buttermilk biscuits, the way Grandma did. So get your cast iron skillet out and let's get ready. A whole lot of love is in that skillet, and that is a very true statement. Okay, here we have everything we need. You need a bowl to mix in I'm using fresh milled flour, baking powder, salt, 2 cups of buttermilk. This is whole buttermilk. Measuring spoons, a pastry blender, half a stick of cut up butter, and then the other half of the stick of butter is going to be reserved for our skillet. Get your favorite cast iron skillet out. This is a 12-inch skillet. And the good old mixing bowl. The butter is still cold, but it doesn't really matter. So in your bowl, I'm using 4 cups of flour. Again, this is fresh milled flour from whole organic grain. This is a soft white wheat that I'm using. A teaspoon of salt. 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Generous tablespoons, that is. Add in your half a stick of butter. This is real butter. And I slice it just to make it easier to blend. So I'm using a pastry blender. You could use a fork if you don't have a fancy pastry blender. And you just want to cut up the butter, or it's called cutting in, until it's like a coarse crumble texture. All right, preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Yes, I said that right, 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your most cherished cast iron skillet and place it in the oven to get hot. Don't mind my dirty oven. My goodness. Okay, so in that flour mixture, make a well. Pour in your 2 cups of buttermilk. Again, this is a whole fat buttermilk. And gently mix that in. And it looks like we're going to need some more buttermilk. Just keep mixing in the buttermilk to moisten the flour. I'm going to add an additional 1 cup of buttermilk, so that's a total of 3 cups going in. All right, so just mix in that last cup of buttermilk until you don't see any more dry patches of flour in the mixture. We'll speed it up here to save us a little bit of time. So I'm just gently folding the batter to fully incorporate everything. All right, that's fully combined. Get your hot skillet from the oven. Put in that last half of that stick of butter. Swirl it around. Melt it. Listen to the sizzle. You have to put homemade biscuits in a hot cast iron skillet, otherwise they will stick like no tomorrow. Just move that butter around until it's fully melted. I grabbed a utensil so I didn't burn my hand. And then I take big scoops of the biscuit dough with like a serving spoon and just dollop them into the hot skillet. Again, be careful not to touch the sides. That skillet is very hot. This allows your biscuits to easily break apart once they're baked. You could pour your biscuit dough in just like you would a cornbread and just cut it apart like a pie if you want. We've done it both ways and it really makes no difference. This is just our preference for biscuits. It all eats the same. So get all of your dough in there. Once we get all the dough in there, then we're going to return this back to that 500-degree oven. But look at that. These are going to be so good. You can see the butter surrounding the biscuits, and you want that. It's going to give you the most beautiful crunchy crust on those biscuits. So into our dirty 500-degree oven. I need to clean that. Okay, so they're baking. They've been in the oven a few minutes. Not quite ready. We're browning on top, browning slightly on the edges. A little bit longer. All right. The middle is firm. They're nice and golden. They are done. Get them out. Look at that. Beautiful golden edge. Golden on the top. They pulled away from the skillet a little bit. Nice and firm. Let's get these biscuits out.
You want to see these biscuits do a trick? Ready, flip. Look at that. And you can see the lines from each of the spoons of dough you put in there. They'll break apart.
We're going to let that cool for a minute or two.
Look at that beautiful golden crust. Buttery, crunchy, salty. There's nothing better. They pull apart easy. They're still very hot. Ooh, hot.
Those are hot.
Beautiful. Look at that.
I'll get me a biscuit. Put a piece of ham on there we just made.
They're hot.
That right there's what you call loving. Delicious.
So there you have it. That's how we make cast iron buttermilk biscuits the way Grandma makes them. She gave us a good biscuit lesson before she decided to leave us until later. Thanks for watching. Now, I hope you can go make yourself some delicious biscuits, and you can thank us later. Until next time, may God bless you, and take care of yourself. Make sure you got a whole lot of love in your skillet too. Take care.